guys, this is Bernadette here and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you one of my go-to smoothie recipes that I like to do for glowing skin. I get a lot of questions asked about what is my skincare routine, and I know as much as I love to use a lot of skincare products, I do like to nourish my body from within. So it's all about what I'm eating, putting into my body for it to exude out. And this is what I like to do every morning. So if you want glowing skin, if you want things to help you with anti-aging, you want to still remain youthful and your skin being firm and supple, then stay tuned because I have all the tips. It's my best kept beauty secret. So stay tuned, guys. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this delicious smoothie. Here with my NutriBullet cup, I'm about to start with some spinach. And I love green leafy vegetables. They're so good for your bone growth. And I've got some carrots. Carrots are amazing for the proper functioning of your brain, your heart. It's amazing, and I love carrots. I can eat carrots raw. That's how much I love carrots. And then now we have some blueberries, and I just take a handful of blueberries. Blueberries are so nice as well. Great for a strong immune system and healthy blood vessels and gums. Apple for sweetener. Some bananas. Love bananas for some potassium. Gotta get that potassium. And some chopped celery just thrown in the jar. I then like to go and add 2 spoons of chia seeds, and chia seeds are great for that fiber, rich in antioxidants. A spoon of spirulina, great for protein. So after I've added all the fruits and vegetables into my NutriBullet jar, I then like to add ZENii, the ZENii Collagen Powder, and this is really good for healthy hair, skin and nails. It's really good for anti-aging, and I like to put just a spoon of this powder. It's odorless, it doesn't have a taste, it doesn't have a scent, it's just a white powder that you put into your smoothie. So after adding a boost of collagen, I then like to go in and add the Perricone MD Super Greens supplement. And this supplement comes in a small sachet packed with ingredients such as kale, wheatgrass and watercress. I just love this green powder. It does taste better than it looks. You're probably thinking, what is this green looking thing? But it's really good in supporting healthy hair and nails, digestion and beautiful skin. Adding some water into my cup, and you don't have to use water if you don't feel for it. You can use almond milk or coconut milk, give it some flavor and some creaminess. On this occasion I just prefer water today. So yes, now it's ready to blend, as you can see. Let me know if you will try this recipe out. It's very good around the time of the Christmas season, the New Year period, where a lot of indulging is going to happen, a lot of drinks, a lot of treats, a lot of cakes. So it's a really good way to detox your way into the new year, or just to start the new year in a clean way, and that's just all about what you put in your body. So definitely I'm here to let you guys in on that. Just before I go, here is the aftermath of the green goodness, and as you can see, I am loving it. It does taste as good as it looks. Do not be put off by the green. I promise you, it tastes good. Thanks for watching, guys.